When the body detects harmful stimuli such as pathogens, damaged cells, or irritants, it triggers a complex cascade of events known as inflammation. This response involves the release of various chemicals, including cytokines and white blood cells, which help to fight off infections, clear away damaged cells, and initiate the repair process. Inflammation can manifest as redness, swelling, warmth, and pain in the affected area. While acute inflammation is a short-term and beneficial response, chronic inflammation, lasting for weeks, months, or even years, can be harmful and contribute to various diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Inflammatory cells. While there are not cells specifically designated as anti-inflammatory cells, certain types of immune cells play roles in regulating and resolving inflammation. Regulatory T cells. Tregs are a subset of T cells that help suppress excessive immune responses, including inflammation. They play a crucial role in maintaining immune tolerance and preventing autoimmune reactions. Macrophages. Macrophages can exhibit different phenotypes depending on their microenvironment. Macrophages are often associated with anti-inflammatory functions such as tissue repair and resolution of inflammation. They produce anti-inflammatory cytokines and help clear away debris. Eosinophils. Eosinophils are a type of white blood cell involved in combating parasitic infections and modulating allergic responses. They can also produce anti-inflammatory molecules that help regulate inflammation. Mesenchymal stem cells. MSC have immunomodulatory properties and can suppress inflammation through various mechanisms, including the secretion of anti-inflammatory cytokines and interaction with immune cells. Dendritic cells. DC play a critical role in initiating immune responses, but can also regulate inflammation by promoting tolerance and dampening excessive immune reactions. These cells, among others, contribute to the resolution and regulation of inflammation, helping to maintain the balance between protective immunity and tissue homeostasis. How inflammatory response works. The inflammatory response in the body typically involves several key steps. Recognition. The immune system recognizes harmful stimuli such as pathogens, damaged cells, or irritants through various receptors on immune cells. Activation. Upon recognition, immune cells release signaling molecules called cytokines, which activate other immune cells and attract them to the site of injury or infection. Vasodilation and increased permeability. Cytokines cause blood vessels near the affected area to widen, allowing more blood to flow to the site of inflammation. This increased blood flow brings more immune cells and nutrients to the area. Additionally, the blood vessel walls become more permeable, allowing immune cells to exit the bloodstream and enter the tissue where they are needed. Migration of immune cells. White blood cells, such as neutrophils and macrophages, migrate from the bloodstream to the site of inflammation, guided by chemical signals released by damaged tissues and immune cells. Phagocytosis. At the site of inflammation, immune cells engulf and destroy pathogens, dead cells, and other debris through a process called phagocytosis. Resolution. As the threat is neutralized and damaged tissues are cleared away, anti-inflammatory signals are released to dampen the inflammatory response and promote tissue repair. Tissue repair. The final stage of inflammation involves the repair and regeneration of damaged tissues, often mediated by specialized cells called fibroblasts and the deposition of extracellular matrix components. This series of events helps the body defend against infection, clear away damaged cells, and promote tissue repair, ultimately restoring homeostasis.